How to use Kalshi app. First, you have to download Kalshi application. You can also download from Google Play Store. You can use Google account or Apple account or any other email. I'm going to go ahead and continue with email. Then click on Sign Up option. Enter your email and click on Continue. Create a password. There are some requirements like characters, numbers, lowercase and uppercase, as well as a special character. All of these checkboxes will highlight as you continue. Then from here it's going to go ahead and send a verification code to the email that we went ahead, so we're going to enter that in. Then enter your date of birth. Then it will ask your phone number, enter and continue. Enter 6-digit verification code. They need to verify your account, and in order to do so, by law they are going to need some of your information, obviously with your name, date of birth. They also going to need your social security number and address as well. Click Continue. Enter your information and click Continue. Then from here you can go ahead and add your bank. You could do any crypto transfer or you could do a wire transfer. That's it. Thanks for watching.